this TV because I know how to clean.
Bro.
I'm cleaning the bathroom. And I'm cleaning the windows. And I'm cleaning the... Hey! Wala ba nakuha ng airplane? How dare you? May fire?
Ito dito sa pizza place para ikon to. Why didn't you do it before?
Ano?
Anna.
This is serious thing. Oh yeah!
You're gonna die.
Oh
Bro.
yeah! Oh yeah, let's go! Oh yeah!
You're
Yeah.
gonna die.
To the slide. Let's go!
Go
Hey!
to the water.
Now I want to go to the slide.
Wait.
Oh!
Ito doon sa secret.
Bro.
How? Let's fish or fishies.
Oh.
You fished yourself. What the hell? You fished yourself.
Come here, come here. Oh yeah. I hope I'm not glitching.
Skip it.
Jump, jump, jump. Kami kwarto. What the hell? Wow, so good English. Wow, wow, wow. Go, come. Police daw ko. Police. I am a police. I'm also a police, by the way. I'm a cleaner, I'm a chef, and I'm a police. And I'm a pilot.
Every job that is there, it's yours.
Yes.
No one's there.
I am a police. Look at this.
Are you the only one playing? Okay then.
No.
Then where's the people?
And quad, invisible sila. Ito din yung mga house, oh. Now, stop. The police, bro. You stop. You stop right there. You're getting arrested. Oh my gosh. Wow, good parking. So good. Wow, good. I'm going to part 2. Nangawat na ni ko taa. Kulog ni ko taa. Nangawat siya buwan. Nangawat siya car.
Okay.
Even though nangawat mo po.
You can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want.
My gosh. No-notice siya. Kaya pa din natin bro. I did nothing.
Are you just scared about the thing?
Yeah, they're going to ban me. I'm going to park. For no reason. Pero ako mag-parking. Nakim, ding-ding, ano, bayi man yung kuwan. So, hey.
Man.
In your bag, you can't play.
Map. Map, you will never find me here. It's like levitating, bro. Oh my gosh, a kid. Hey kid, you stop right there. You stop. Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, let's go. Bro, you rock it. How dare you? Ah, you rock it. This is your fault, bitch.
Hey, don't follow me. Don't follow me, please. You can't follow me.
Bing, bing, bing. Wala, ang kid, oh, nakakuha sa mga...
Good, did you
island. Now I have a job to go there. Because I'm a police. Hello, beautiful island.
Wala ako sa Nelsa. There are two reasons.
Oh, it's by parking too. Bro, by parking. Hey, why is it not working? I will. Eh, bawal mo din matutula. How dare you? Right? I was going. Sorry, lang, no. No! Oh my gosh! But I don't care. Na ako'y fun. Dali ako. I'm good here. Wait. Hakan! Oh, yeah. Rewrite. Umayad na tao. I don't know. Yes, I'm trying. This is my... Kuha man ako to stick para sa fire.
No, you're there.
Wow, so manly. Oh, kasi sila nag-troll this sila. Nag-troll. Kuha na ipigibak ang mga tao. Baka ako
No,
dari.
no, please don't worry. Please, please. I don't want to. I don't want to. I don't want to. But I got a microphone. Close.
Hey, ABC, I'm going to adapt you. Ano? I don't have money.
Huh?
It's crying.
I know, right? What are you doing, bro?
It's sad.
Who?
We're going to do something. Bozos. People living here are oh yeah. Howdy. Howdy. Sabi nga tay. You're being annoying. I have no child support. They have no child support. They have no child support.
You said you want to adopt.
Yeah, to throw them into the lake, bruh. This hacker guy is just trolling. People living here are bozos, Kalit. Nothing. I did nothing. Oh yeah, this. Yes, but this is my house. This is my house.
Can you get your own house?
No,
Why?
no, I know. Oh, this is my house. Look at this. Super sale na. Super sale.
Bruh, ban.
I am so good. Super sale.
She's looking at it. I mean, she's looking at it.
Oh my gosh, you got eaten.
Hmm?
This.
Bro.
Yes, I'm a police. But you smile at me. Yeah. My agency. It's mine. Yes, agency. For no reason. Yeah.
Fuck.
I am going to plan. I am going to. Oh no, no, no! You're going to ban me, Bozo.
And carry on.
If they want to ban you, they have to press on you.
Yes, and click the ban button. Akane. I'm just chilling. Don't mind me. I'm chilling, bro. Don't mind me. Where's the? Today, button mo.
Huli ko po.
To work from home. Okay, I'm chilling.
No scratch. It's like you're flirting on a girl if you are bored. Wala ka sa swimming pool.
I'm going to get banned, aren't I?